Broke this shit again, y'all. Trying to look for something, leaned over, hit it. Bang, came off. It's okay. Here's what I got. New spring wire and a new emblem. Start playing. 2 bolts. We got one here. I don't know what size it is yet, but it look like 10s. Now I got the bolts out. The piece pulled straight up. All right, got the new spring in. Got the wire bent down. Came with this washer. Tried to put it on, but it don't fit through this hole. But the spring got a little groove in it already, so it don't come through. So I didn't even need that washer. Now I'm just putting this back. Put my little bolts back in. Put my little nuts. And they'll be good to go. Alright. Here's the new spring. The wire. These nuts that's on them. Hopefully y'all can see that. My drill. Get it back up. One. That's two. Nice and snug. There she on there. Like new baby, turning and everything. All with the old that I had super glued, and with the new. I also got some new headers. These all rusted looking. I'm gonna hook my temp gauge back up. But yeah, changing them out whenever I get time to do it. I bought these stainless steel. So, it always look like rust, but it's just dirt in the bag. It should fit pretty nicely in here. I also want to paint these brackets and get a new water pump. Get rid of all this spare on shit. But that's it for this video. I'm out.